At Talan Products, we do progressive die metal stamping. Our variety of presses send their rams up and down, day and night, stamping out hundreds of millions of pieces for our customers. But wait, there's more. We don't just bulk pack parts and ship them out. I mean, we do that. But we also have many value-added services too. Packaging for use by the final customer is a big one. We handle putting a precise number of parts into a box, pail, bucket, tube, skid box, whatever our customer's customer wants for their convenience. The less our customer has to handle the parts to send to their customer, well, the lower cost and hassle for our customers. Turns out that's a very popular service. Our goal is to partner with our customers, and this helps us to be their best value manufacturing partner. We can even add fasteners, instructions, other parts, and custom labels to the packages. We can add things to our stampings, such as PEM brand, clinch fastening nuts, or studs. We can do this manually or using automation. We can use nuts and bolts to assemble several stampings into a complete product. Here we are using assembly fixturing for accuracy and efficiency. Depending on the quantity required, we can design and operate either manual, semi-automated, or fully automated assembly cells. We have assembled some complex mechanical systems for some rather finicky customers. Speaking of automated systems, we design and build, internally and with outside partners, automations to do many processes to our stampings, or in this case, our fabricated aluminum extrusions. Here, cut to size, add holes, do some machining, apply a gasket, and pack the finished parts. We have a number of robots doing various tasks, such as spot welding stampings together to make an assembly. These welding processes are very repeatable and can be precisely monitored for high quality, and therefore customer delight. In this cell, we are placing a nut onto this complex assembly used in the electric vehicle industry and welding it in. We aren't just limited to spot welding. We can use robots to get highly repeatable MIG welds. Here, we're welding stainless steel stampings together for a rail system component part. Here's an automation that inserts studs and welds them into one of our highly precision stamped brackets. Maybe you have used one of these paint trays. We stamp them out, weld on the feet, and even roll labels onto them. Made in USA, don't you know? Here's another labeling operation, this time on aluminum extrusions. Need nuts and bolts installed, holes drilled, chamfers machined, riveting, threading? We can find the most cost-efficient ways to do what you need done so that you get a more complete and more cost-effective part on your dock. As we wind up this video, here we are winding up some stampings on a reel. So please send us your quotes for metal stampings and fabricated aluminum extrusions. But send us your next steps too. Maybe we can save you time, money, extra logistics, and general hassle. At Talan Products, we want to partner with you on your complete component part needs.